I hear this all the time. How is it even possible to eat and drink whatever you want and still consistently release weight on GLP-1s? Well, this tiny plate and this little piece of cake are basically my visual for today's video. Because yes, I still eat anything and everything I want, just way less of it. And the best part, the shocking part, I feel completely satisfied with something this small all of the time. Hey guys, I'm Rhonda, and 2 years ago, I was 75 pounds heavier. I was exhausted, inflamed, and honestly, I thought the best days of my life were well behind me. But today, I'm living proof that with GLP-1s and especially microdosing for maintenance, you can find balance, enjoy life, and keep the weight off without ever feeling deprived. For me, this was everything because my personal history says that if I feel deprived, I will absolutely overdo it. Before GLP-1s, I could never trust myself around food. I would just binge eat, and it was to the point that I barely even noticed I was overeating. I just kept going without a second thought. The food noise, that voice that gives you the go-ahead to eat whatever you want, was so overpowering that I had absolutely no control. I was coming downstairs in the middle of the night for candy bars. That's how little control I had. But here's the thing. I still now eat everything. Bread, cookies, cake, drinks, dinner out with friends. Absolutely nothing is off limits. But the difference now is that the portion size and the satisfaction is so much different on GLP-1s because they've quieted that constant food noise that was running my life. So instead of obsessing over what I can't have, I just naturally want less. And within that wanting less, I make better food choices overall. And when I do have those occasional sweets and chips, I'm satisfied just after just a few bites. That has helped to create a very healthy new relationship with food for me. There's no restriction, there's no guilt, and for the first time in my life, food literally doesn't control me. I totally understand that GLP-1s are a part of me now. I will be on them for the rest of my life. But the coolest thing about that is that we at LEMD offer microdosing. And microdosing has been a total game changer for me. It's a lower, slower approach to GLP-1s. It's also less expensive. And it keeps me on track without swinging my appetite too far in either direction. So it lets me maintain the weight I've released while still living in my life fully. It gives me the benefits of the anti-inflammatory effects of GLP-1s, the heart health, the cognitive health, so my blood work stays good, and the mental clarity that comes with long-term use, especially as I age. The more research coming through has talked so much about all these new great benefits, and I get to live on this medication forever. So I think the most freeing part of this whole journey for me is that I never wanted to feel like I was on a diet forever. And GLP-1s and the option to microdose has given me the freedom to keep my results without feeling trapped anymore. And here's the thing. If you're wondering whether you have to give up everything you love to succeed on GLP-1s, the short answer is that you don't. You get to eat, drink, celebrate, and enjoy food without spiraling back into painful old habits that made you feel bad about yourself, not care about your body, and keep gaining weight with no end in sight. Honestly, you guys, for me, this isn't about perfection. It's about real freedom. It's about truly trusting myself around food. And if you're on GLP-1s or thinking about starting and you want real tips, education, and the truth about what life looks like on these medications for real people like me, hit subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with someone who needs it. And if you're interested in learning more about microdosing, I will drop my LEMD link in the comments for you to review. Remember, you too can release the weight and enjoy your life. You really can have both. That's the beauty of this. This chocolate cake is so yummy. Just love it. Thanks for dropping in. See you on the next video.